Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you are doing well today. Since Thanksgiving is literally weeks away, I thought I would share with you guys a very simple Thanksgiving tablescape idea. So whether you are hosting Thanksgiving this year or maybe you just simply want to make your home festive for the holiday, this video is for you. I promise this is probably as simple as it gets, but I hope you enjoy it. I hope it inspires you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy decorating videos. Thank you so much for being here, and let's begin. So for this tablescape, I'm starting with a tablecloth, and I got this one years ago from HomeGoods. I just love the burnt orange, brownish color of it. It is the absolute perfect color for Thanksgiving. But tip number one, if you are decorating or if you are using a tablecloth, make sure you iron it, because as you are about to see, this one does have some creases. Please excuse the creases. I literally took this table setting down shortly after filming it to film a Christmas decorate with me in this space, and that video will go live within the next week or two, so stay tuned for that and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss it. Next, I was a little unsure of how I wanted to create the centerpiece. I wanted it to be simple, so I shopped my fall decor bins and found this garland I got years ago from Michael's. I have not used it I can't remember the last time I used it, and it was nice to bring it out and put it to good use. It actually worked out perfectly with the color of the tablecloth, and I highly recommend when using a garland, make sure you fluff it to make it look more substantial and just make it look fuller. So shop your homes. I highly encourage you to shop your decor, see what garland you have that you could use as your centerpiece. Next, I decided to add candles of varying heights to either side of the garland, and I just love how it added that elegant look to the tablescape. I also added some little votive holders that I filled with tea lights, and I love using tea light candles in my tablescapes. It just creates so much ambiance in the evening, and it just brings this cozy, magical feeling to the space. I love that this centerpiece is so simple and yet very elegant, and there's nothing obstructing your guests' views. So when they're talking to one another, there's nothing in their way. And for the place settings, I'm using these placemats I got last year from IKEA, and the plates are actually from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. But I wanted to keep things very simple, and I decided to create a pocket napkin to house the silverware. And I'm gonna give a quick tutorial on how you can create this pocket napkin in case you don't already know how to do this. It's very easy. So you start with your napkin, straighten it out, and you're gonna essentially fold it in half. So take the bottom two corners to meet the upper two corners, increase that fold. You then want to take those two corners that you just moved and bring them back down to the crease to create kind of like a flap or another fold. You then want to flip your napkin over, and you're going to fold your napkin in thirds. And you want to make your folds as evenly as possible, or at least try to. I think I messed mine up a little bit here, but nothing that you can't simply redo. But I just love this kind of unique spin on your traditional napkin. Once I finished with the place settings, I decided to add a little more fullness to the garland, just a little bit. I had some pine cones and some faux pumpkins on hand, and I just kind of scattered them along the garland, again, just to make it even more full. And I just love how everything turned out, and I love how I really didn't know where I was going with this tablescape, and I kind of just, went through what I had and just played it by ear, and I was really happy with the end result. And I highly recommend you do the same. Shop your decor, see what you have, and see what you can come up with. It's really surprising, the creations that you can create by, just trying different things you have already on hand. And the final touch to this tablescape is to light the candles and create that ambiance. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you gained some inspiration. Let me know if you're hosting Thanksgiving this year. Even if you're not, did you create a Thanksgiving tablescape, or even just a fall themed tablescape? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Again, subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you soon in my next video. Take care.